If you love shopping online, you've probably heard of Honey. It's a free browser extension that claims to find coupon codes and offer cashback on your purchases. But is it really as good as it sounds? I've been using Honey for a while now, and in this video, I'll give you my honest experience. First, let's talk about how Honey works. Once you install the extension, it automatically searches for available coupon codes at checkout on thousands of websites. The process is seamless. You don't have to manually enter codes or search for deals. When you reach the checkout page, Honey pops up and tests multiple discount codes to find the best one. It's a simple concept, but does it actually save you money? In my experience, it's a hit or miss. Sometimes, Honey finds a great discount, but other times, the codes don't work or only provide minimal savings. Another key feature is Honey Gold, their cashback reward system. When you shop at participating stores, you earn Honey Gold, which you can redeem for gift cards. This sounds great in theory, but there's a catch. The cashback rates aren't always the highest compared to other dedicated cashback websites. Plus, it takes time to accumulate enough gold to cash out. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One major downside I noticed is that Honey doesn't always work with all stores. Some major retailers don't participate, so you might not get savings where you need them most. Additionally, the coupon success rate depends on how frequently codes are updated. In some cases, I found that manually searching for coupons on deal websites gave me better discounts than what Honey applied. A big plus is that Honey is completely free to use. There are no membership fees, and the interface is beginner-friendly. However, keep in mind that Honey collects data on your shopping habits, which some users might find concerning. While they claim not to sell your personal information, it's still something to consider before installing. So, is Honey worth it? If you do a lot of online shopping, it's worth trying since it's free and effortless to use. However, don't expect massive savings every time. It's best used as a supplemental tool rather than your sole method for finding discounts. I'd also recommend comparing cashback rates with other platforms before assuming Honey offers the best deal. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Honey and what your experience has been. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.